Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing pink French fade ombre manicure. This is very seamless, like everything is flowing together and I absolutely love it. You want to start off this manicure by applying a base color, which is going to be beige nail polish of your choice, obviously, and just apply it and let it completely dry before moving to the next step. And also I will have all the names of nail polishes that I used written in the description box below. But on cosmetic sponge, you want to apply first color that we used as our base. Then we're going to need a second color, which is going to be our transition, and you can find a similar nail polish in your collection. It doesn't have to be exactly the same color, but something similar. And then finally I'm going with a pink color, which I absolutely love. Pink is my favorite color. Yes, I know, like baby pink and baby blue. Love it. Anyways, you just want to sponge it onto your nails, and your nails have to be completely dry before you do this step, otherwise it will not work. You will mess up and everything will be crazy. And also don't worry if you make any mistakes. This is actually perfect design because you can blend it until it looks amazing, so trust me, it works. After the first coat, you want to let it dry a bit, and then you want to go in with a second coat, but then apply a top coat right away before any cleanup, before anything. And look, this seamless transition, oh my gosh, I love it. It looks so fabulous, and look what the difference top coat makes. Guys, I cannot stress you enough. It's so important to have a good top coat and to apply top coat always, no matter if you're just painting your nails like plain or if you're doing designs. It makes the most difference when you apply a top coat. Trust me on that one. And after you're done with a top coat, you wanna clean up around your nails. Obviously, you could have used some kind of protection like for around the nails, but you know, here we do it old school, so who cares? Just clean it up with some acetone and a little brush to perfect the look, and you're all set. There you have it. Perfect, seamless pink French fade. I love it, and I hope you do as well. Let me know what you think in comments, and never let anyone do your sparkle. Bye!